is history of Linux. In history of Linux, the first operating system was Multics. The Multics operating system was started in mid of 1960, which was a joint project by Bell Labs, MIT, and General Electric. It was a time-sharing operating system. Then comes Unix. Unix was developed in 1970 by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie. Unix operating system was written in C programming language in 1972, and sorry, sir. And in 1975, the first license was sold of Unix was sold to the University of Illinois. Then some flavors of Unix are there, some vendors and their operating system. First vendor is AT&T and Bell Labs, which operating system was sys3 and sys5. Then Sun Microsystem, Oracle, and IBM was Solaris operating system. Then SCO has the SCO Unix operating system. Then BSD full form is Barkley Software Distribution. The operating system was pre-BSD. Then HP developed HP UX. Then Apple developed Mac OS and X server operating system. Then what is Linux? Linux is a Unix-like computer operating system developed by the Linus Torvalds in 1991. The source model can be open source or proprietary. Then it is available for mobile devices, desktop servers, mainframe, and supercomputer. Then 35% of the internet source and 99% was the supercomputers are designed by the Linux operating system. Then basic characteristics of Linux. Linux is the most popular most popular version of Unix operating system. Linux was designed according to Unix compatibility. Then it is a open source as its source code are freely available. Then its functionality what does that? Its functionality list is similar to the Unix. Then architecture of Unix consists of hardware layer, kernel, and shell. So the hardware layer consists of all the peripheral hardware peripheral components that's like RAM, hard disk, and CPU. Kernel, it is a core component of operating system. Interacts directly with the hardware services and it is also responsible for the major activity of Linux operating system. Then shell was shell is an interface between users and kernel, hiding complexity of kernel functions to the user. The shell takes commands from the users and execute the kernel functions. Then shell accepts human readable commands and then convert it into uh, the something which kernel can understand. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, very good. Right.